Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a strategic insurance partnership with Insureon, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start with research on what Insureon offers in terms of insurance products and services. Familiarize yourself with the various types of insurance options suitable for your business. Identify your specific insurance needs based on your industry and risk factors. Prepare a list of questions to better understand how Insureon can support your business needs. Visit the Insureon website to gather detailed information about their offerings. Sign up for an account to access their platform and tools. Schedule a consultation with an Insureon representative to discuss your needs in detail. During the consultation, clearly communicate your business goals and challenges. Ask about their strategic partnership programs and how they can benefit your company. Request case studies or examples of successful partnerships Insureon has established. Review the partnership terms and conditions proposed by Insureon. Consider the financial implications and benefits of entering into a partnership. Evaluate how a partnership with Insureon can enhance your customer offerings. Discuss the potential for co-marketing opportunities to promote your partnership. Outline the steps for integrating Insureon's services into your business model. Develop a timeline for implementation and set clear objectives for the partnership. Keep communication open with Insureon throughout the partnership development process. Regularly assess the partnership's effectiveness and make adjustments as needed. Establish a feedback loop to ensure continuous improvement in the working relationship. Celebrate milestones achieved together to strengthen the partnership bond. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.